Hi students, welcome to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 6th standard science term 1 unit 3 lesson book evaluation பார்க்கலாம். Already unit 3 matter around us lesson 3 videos upload பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இப்போ நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல book evaluation பார்க்கலாம். So already lesson எல்லாமே explain பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அந்த videos எல்லாமே பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Roman letter 1 is choose the correct answer. ஆன்சர்ஸ் மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கு. நீங்கள் உங்கள் புக்கில் பார்த்து மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Roman letter 2 is fill in the blanks. Roman letter 3 say true or false. If false, correct the statement. So the first question, air is not compressible. So it is a false answer. நீங்கள் எப்படி எழுதணும்னா air is highly compressible. So அந்த கொடுத்திருக்கிற false statement நீங்கள் rectify பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. Air is highly compressible. Okay, so இந்த notங்கிறது எடுத்துட்டு highlyன்னு எழுதிக்கோங்க. That is the correct statement. Second one, liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. So இந்த இடத்துல நோங்கிறது நீங்கள் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடணும். liquids have fixed volume. liquidsக்கு volume இருக்கு. But do not have fixed shape. But they are not having fixed shape. So இந்த இடத்துல do notனு நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next, particles in solid are free to move. So this is a false statement. solidல particles ஃப்ரீயாக மூவ் ஆகாது. ஸோ நீங்கள் எப்படி கரெக்டாக எழுதணும்னா particles in solids cannot move freely. ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் கரெக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. சென்டென்ஸ் கரெக்டாக எழுதுங்க. Fourth one, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, water is separated from them by filtration. So filtration is the wrong answer. The right answer is decantation. So this is false. So filtration பதில் நீங்கள் decantation நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate liquids from solid. So that is true. Grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. So that is also true. Okay. The next Roman letter is, the next true or false is, air is pure substance. So it is a wrong answer. Air is a mixture of gases. Butter from curd is separated by churning. Instead of sedimentation, churning னு நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது ரெண்டுமே false தான். Next, complete the given analog. Solid rigidity, gas flexibility. Large interparticles, space, gas. Only little interparticles, solid. Okay, little interparticles, solid. Solid, definite shape, liquid, shape of the vessel. Roman letter 4, complete the given analog. You can copy the answer, children. And Roman letter 5, match the following. B, match the following. Children, you can copy the answers. The next Roman letter 6 is answer very brief, define matter. Okay, define the term matter. You can find the answer in page number 35. Matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. Second question, how can husk or fine dust particles can be separated from rice before cooking? The answer is in page number 47. Rice are often mixed with very fine straw, husk or dust particles which can be removed by washing the rice before cooking. So the main answer, answer what you need to write is the rice can be washed by water before cooking. Rice are often mixed with very fine straw, husk or dust particles which can be removed by washing the rice before cooking. So here you have to make the correction, children, which can be removed by washing the rice before cooking. This is the answer. Why do we separate mixtures? Answer is in page number 49. A mixture is an impure substance containing two or more components physically mixed in any proportion. So this is the answer for the third one. Fourth question, give an example for mixture and justify your answer with reason. For this question, you can cite an example of air or milk. Okay, air oda example neenga kudukalam illa milk oda example kudukalam. So if you are giving air is a mixture because it contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, noble gases and other gases. Okay, then if not, you can write this milk also. Air eludalena neenga milk kuda eludikalam. Milk is an example. Milk is also a mixture. For example, it contains water, fat, protein, etc. Okay. So air or milk ரெண்டுல ஏதாவது ஒரு example எழுதிக்கோங்க. Fifth one, define sedimentation. Page number 47. The settling down of heavier components of a mixture when allowed to remain undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. So this is the answer for the fifth one. Sixth question, give the main difference between pure substance and an impure substance. See here, children, page number 41. This is for pure substance. You can write the heading as pure substance. A pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. This is point 1, and second one, it is unadulterated. Okay. Impure substance, you have to write by yourself. It is made up of two or more toxic particles. Okay, toxic particles means it should not be taken. So adu namalukku it is not good for health. Okay, adu dhan toxic particles. And second point is adulterated. Okay, these 2 points you can write for pure substance, and this is for impure substance. Dear children, Roman letter 7 is answered briefly. So these are the discussion questions. Okay children, so these you can write by yourself. நம்ம lesson learn பண்ணிருக்கோம், அதை understand பண்ணி இந்த questionskெல்லாம் நீங்களே answer பண்ணிக்கலாம். Dear children, இந்த evaluation வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எங்கள் சேனலை இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.